Come on. Oh, this can't be happening. Come on.
Did you forget something?
I did. What is it?
I didn't say anything.
I feel like I'm dreaming and I'm about to wake up.
It's not what you're interested in.
Turns out we do.
I just think you're wasting your time on a guy who doesn't deserve it.
We didn't come here to be who we are back home. We came here to lose ourselves and find adventure.
We can be friends.
It's not good for any of us.
I feel like we've made it pretty clear that we can't just be friends.
We never really had a chance. But at least now we have this one perfect thing. I'm not somebody who can share a crepe. I need the whole crepe.